Problem number 287, given an array of integer nums containing n plus 1 integers, where each integer is in the range 1 till non-inclusive. There is only one repeated number in nums. Return this repeated number. You must solve the problem without modifying the array nums and using only constant extra space. Containing n plus 1 integers. Okay, so if n is 5, then there will be 6 integers, so it will be like so we'll have 2, 5, 4, 6. Well, we should have only 5. We can have the same one, and the last one will be 4. There is only one repeated number. Only one repeated. Only once, except for precisely one integer which appears 2 or more times. Okay, so this will be correct. Okay, so it's 2 or more times. Return this repeated number. Okay, and cannot modify the array nums. And you can only use constant extra space. So okay, so for example, maybe start finding from. Okay, I think the brute force method will be okay, so we will have like a count. Yeah, like a count, like okay, so that's first have extra space, like an extra space, so we will have so we will have a counter and count the numbers of like 2 appears once, and then 4 appears once. We will loop through the array, and 5 appears once, and we found 4 appears twice, so then we will return 4. But because using counter, we did not utilize. I think we did not utilize this. Every integer is in a range of 1 till n. This property. So I think Or maybe we can find like first find 1. Okay, so current num. This is another solution. Like current num is now 1. So find 1 now. Can we find 1? Yes, we for loop the array to find current num. We found 1. And then current num is now 2. Well, plus 1, so it's 2. We found, we for loop the array and we found 2. Then we add up 1 for the current number, 3. No, we didn't find 3. Okay, that doesn't. Okay, so we did not find 3. And we'll find we'll start finding 4. Okay, so I think we or maybe we can count like we have 1, but then we will have to loop through every time, and it will be n with the power of 2. So it's going to be 10 with the power of 10, so it's not possible. Or I'm thinking I think I should look up the solution. Okay, so it says connect two nodes I and nums I with a directed edge. So for example, like I is 0, it points to value 1, and value 1 will be the index of nums, so value 1 will be pointing to 3, and 3 will be the index. 3 will be pointing to 2, and 2 will be pointing to 4. 4 will be pointing to 2, so okay, and it says the entrance of the cycle will be the repeated number. Okay, so yeah, if outdegree of every node is always 1, then there must be a cycle, because we only have n plus 1 nodes, but we have n plus 1 edges. So there must exist a cycle. And yeah, we can start from 0, and because there's no indegree for 0, so node 0 is definitely not in a cycle, so we can start from 0 and traverse the array. And to find a repeated node, the repeated node will have more than 1 indegree, and yeah, so it will be the entrance of the cycle. So yeah, we can try this. This answer will be like 0, 0, 2, and then will be 5. And then will be 4, and it will be 1. 1 will be 4. Yeah, so there is a cycle between 1 and 4. 4 has 2 integrees. Okay, so we can start from 0, and to find the entrance of a cycle, we can use 2 pointers. And yeah, 2 pointers. First, first, 2 pointers will starting from 0, and at each iteration, 1 pointer will move 1 step, the other will move 2 steps, and when the fast pointer reaches the end, and at the end reaches that when two pointers meet, and that's change one of the pointer to head to the start, and the other will stay at the meeting point. And then at each iteration, both pointers will move one step, and when they meet, they will be meeting at the entrance of the cycle. Okay, so let's start. So 2 pointers slow and fast. It will start from 0. And while true, that's temporary half true, and slow pointer will move one step. For moving in the list, it will be slow, and for fast, it will be fast, and this will be nums. Nums. Okay. So if slow equals fast, then we will move one of them, move slow to 0, and we will start walking both pointer one step at each round. So while true, slow equals nums slow, fast equals nums fast, and I'll say while slow not equal to num and not equal to fast. If they are equal, return slow. And if they are equal, that means they meet, and that is the entrance of the cycle, which is the node that has more than 1 in degree, and it is the repeated number. So okay, we can try run this, or maybe like see some edge case. Like n is 1, so we will have at least 2 two integers in the array, we can have like okay, n equals 2, n equals 1, so we will have 2, 1, we can have 1 and 1. Yeah, we can only have this combination. And okay, so we'll start from 0, so 0, and while true, slow equals num0, which is 1, and fast will be, okay, so it will be like slow, fast, all starting from 0, and when slow move to here, fast will be moving, nums fast is 1, and then 1, nums 1 is 1, so it is here, and yeah, now slow equals fast, slow will be now 0. Okay, slow is not equal to fast, so slow walks 1 step here, fast will walk 1 step to still 1 because there is a cycle here, and now they are equal, so return slow, and what that is 1. Okay, let's see this example. And from the start, slow is here, fast is here, so slow will be equal to 2, fast will be equal to 5. Yeah, first it is 0, nums 0 is 2, 2 is, nums 2 is 5, and then slow equals fast. Yeah, so we'll run again. Slow, nums 2 is 5 here. Okay, and now nums 5 is 4. Nums 5 is 4, and nums 4 is 1. So we're staying at 1. So slow is not equal to fast. Okay, again, for this, slow, nums 5 is 4, so moving to 4. Nums 1 is 4. Nums 4. Nums 1 is 4, and nums 4 is 1. Okay, still not the same. Okay, nums 4 is 1. And for nums 1, it is 4. Nums 4 is 1. Yeah, nums 1 is 4, and nums 4 is 1. And now it's the same. So slow equals fast, slow will be moving to 0. Okay, slow equals will be assigned to nums slow, which is 2. Fast will be assigning to nums fast. That will be 4. Okay, it's not the same, so let's do it again. Yeah, so nums2 is 5. Fast will be nums4 is 1. It's not the same, so let's do it again. nums5 is 4. nums1 is 4. Okay, they are the same now. So the entrance will be 4. We will return slope. Since it has 2 indegrees, because 1 will be pointing to 4 as well. Okay,